We have a lot of banks here. By working with them, I know that for them, ROI is very important and potentially immediate ROI and proving the value of a platform that they are willing to use or at least experimenting with. How do you prove immediate value and immediate ROI? And also, what are the typical KPIs your financial services companies are measuring you for? AJ, maybe you want to start.
Yeah, sure. So for us, once you get through kind of contracting and security review process, it's pretty easy to deploy. And so what we do is for larger enterprises, we like to start with a pilot. We'll say, okay, let's pick a few different use cases. Let's pick, 10, 20, 50, 100 users, and let's deploy for a couple months for free. And let's just make sure there's value here. And so we're engaged with a lot of different pilots right now, proving that value out. I would say specific ROI around time saved, right? Optimization. But we're really trying to tie in financial services around value. So Stanley Druckenmiller is one of our investors, and he's helping us identify how we can support investment money achieved through use of Perplexity and research. So we're really trying to go in that direction, really for our financial services clients.
I think the typical productivity measurement is how many hours a week have you saved your engineers? And then you analyze that into a monetary amount. I think that works. It's an slightly old-fashioned way of evaluating ROI, but it works. But where Glean's moving forward is less away from, how are we saving you on COGS and more so how are we driving revenue? So it's not just about, hey, I'm helping your engineer triage bugs more effectively or, fix an error code, identify an error code more effectively. It's, hey, I'm improving your actual product velocity. I'm helping you go to market with faster. I'm helping you go to market with a higher quality product that has more features, et cetera. And so that's how we are thinking about it. It's a new space. I think the industry as a whole is still trying to figure it out. And so we've been in the enterprise game a little longer than 5 months. And so that's one of the constant iterations that we're doing with our customers is figuring out how can we show up for them in a way that drives revenue, not just quantifies productivity gains.
How do you see the evolution of AI in financial services space? What is the North Star? What is the end goal or the biggest opportunity that hopefully will come one day?
It's interesting because November 2022 was ChatGPT's inception point, and it's in just 24 months to see where we have come at. Right from ChatGPT to building own foundation models to fine-tuning, doing RAG, facing hallucinations, hybrid RAG, graph RAG. I think that is kind of the current state of the art today. Where we are headed is towards agentic workflows, where there are specific niche small LLMs which could handle particular tasks which are more sequential workflows in banking, particularly in deep-rooted industries like that of us. Would be really great to watch. Companies like Greenlight, some of the companies from our NVIDIA Inception program for startups like Entropy are doing interesting work in this domain, and we are keen to see them going forward.